Hello and welcome back to another episode of Robo Instructus, where this is the next level. It's called Treacherous Steps. And we don't have anything new. No new mail, no new thing. I guess we already looked at that at the end of last episode, probably. So, I don't know what this is. Do we know what this is? Do I remember this? I don't think I do. This is not a switch. What is this? I'm confused by it. That's for sure. I don't really understand what the point of all of this is. What even is this? Oh, it's a... Oh, right, it's one of those, right, I need to... Is it use? Or scan? I don't remember. It is use, and then I get the save tile, and I need to figure out which tile is safe. Right, I do remember. Alright, and then we want to do the robo scan. Or something, forward location, maybe? Is that what it is? Let's do... I don't know. And then else we do left. Or something, for starters. Oh, I didn't define right. I forgot. I needed to do that. There you go. Is it always the left one? I'm already thinking of just hard coding it again. Or semi-hard coding it again. I don't know. I still don't understand how I'm supposed to deal with these directions and they're not going away. I hit the mic. That's not good. Alright. I mean, you could loop this, I guess, but it doesn't really make sense. Oh, this else is in the wrong spot. I clicked this, come on. Didn't notice that moved in. I don't know. This is weird, because if this gives me just one safe location, or does it give me more than one? And how is that gonna work? Because I need more than one that's safe here. Because if, like, let's say this is safe, and I go here, 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 and then do we just assume that this is our safe? I guess it has to be like that, right? Or it's this, and then I go here, 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 and then whatever. But there's not even like a direction thing here. I don't know how to use this. I was just hoping it would go away, to be perfectly honest with you. No, we don't have another lever. Treacherous steps, sure. Ah, man. I guess it would just be if RoboScan is, and I forgot which I need. No, RoboScan. It's a direction. No, it's location data store 11, right? If it is that, then do this, and then else. if nope. Scan is robo scan, and then if scan is 11, find the. Should also declare this outside, I think, because you might need it scope-wise elsewhere. If scan is greater than 0, robo forward. Else, robo left. No, robo left, please. There we go. Okay. Obviously, this is way too fast. What's happening here? Why is save 0? Why does save not run? Is this not 11? Does RoboScan... Wait, RoboScan goes forward? Yes, scans the tile in front, sure. And we would want to like loop this thing, but I don't know how we're gonna do this, right? This is all a mess. Can I like end the loop somehow? Right, yeah, this is ended, right? Because it's not in that indentation. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so goes forward, it scans, it is 11. Oh, but then we need to. Or to go there and then use it. And then what was the syntax for the breaking of the loop again? Was it break or end? No, I don't remember. It was break. So after we get the save, we break, which puts us here, right? And then we work on this. So this should put us here, I think. But then, yeah, we're stuck because we're just looping this thing now. And then if RoboScan greater 0, robo forward. And this would be this loop, and then as soon as we are here, we want to break again. Basically, retreating these like functions or something, which we could make functions. I don't know, it's fine. Because I feel like we only need them once in any case, right? Is that true, actually? That we only need to find them? Maybe. I mean, there's ever only one. Yeah, there are very many cases we need to treat here, so that's going to be tricky for sure. I still don't know how to use the directions right. I really should have worked on a solution for that instead of just ignoring that it exists. I keep hitting things with my glass. I shouldn't drink. Even though it's just water, so, you know. It's not the contents of the glass that's to blame for my clumsiness, at least. So. I mean, this does this very well, I guess. And then we would want another... Is it always just forward from the safe location? It depends. You can't know. But here, let's just treat this one. So we want to go forward. I don't know how to use this. I'm still not... I hate this. Is there a way to do it even? I don't know. Because we want to go forward, basically. I mean, we want to go forward and then left. And then this would be the end of this lever, of this part of the lever. But like, this is obviously not good code. Well, this is not right, obviously. We need basically this again, right? Yeah. What did I do here? this is something, but it's not what it's supposed to be. We can make all of this work. This entire first part of this, the data or the location storage. But then obviously here, you know, that this falls apart there. Because here, this is where we need to start reading these things, the direction thingies. I don't understand them. And here we even need to start reading them earlier, which is not a good thing. Because obviously this is the safe one, but it's a nightmare. None of this is very elegant or anything, but this works. Like, we can do this part. It's just that so if we could figure out the direction things, it could work. We would have a working solution for 3 of the 4, and then we would just need to work on the special case one, which is this one, where we start with this stuff. We could just catch that up here. We should be fine with that. But I don't know. I feel like there's just too many different cases. Like, this is just a mess. Because we need to, like, the first step is either gonna give us the location storage, it's gonna give us a normal tile, it's gonna give us one of those direction tiles, forgot what they're called. Oh yeah, the normal tile again. So like this, and these 3 are basically the same because we're kind of catching that anyway. But this is different, which is bad. Because we're basically just walking around looking for this tile, which in this case we never reach because we can't know which of these is safe without reading these. But it was always like here, what? Yeah, but the I don't know. It's a mess. I mean, like in this special case, we could say we're here and then we're just looking for a normal tile, and then we go forward, and then we have this, and then we go from there. This is either gonna be this or this. And then we're gonna find out that code and then end up here anyway, probably. It's still my issue is just still that none of this makes any sense. Because Robo Location just gives me the idea of the tile, not where I'm facing. If I had that, maybe I could do that. It would be still annoying, but I could use it for that. I don't know. Oh man. I don't know what to do with this. Like, how do I use this? Right. I can't know which way I'm facing. Unless I keep track of it from the start, and that's just gonna be so annoying to do. Because then every step I take, I need to somehow save and then compare. I don't know, it's a mess. I don't want to do that. I really don't want to do that. Alright, so if we assume, if it's pointing to the right, we could come from the left or from the bottom or from the top. Because I don't know which way this is set up. Right? If I come from below, up into the tile that faces the right, I'm already facing right, I don't need to turn. If I come from the left, I'm going to be facing town, then I need to turn left. And if I come from the top, I'm gonna face left. So I need to turn left too. So in 2 of the 3 cases I need to turn left, and in the other one I don't. And how do I know which case is the case, basically? Answer is I don't know. I don't know. Which one was the safe tile here? Oh, we never learned that. But here we did, it was this one again, right? But here it would be up, also, yeah, forward, forward, left, forward, forward, left, forward, left, forward, left, forward. But it wouldn't be that here, or well, here doesn't matter, but here it would be forward, forward, left, forward, left, forward. Well, we could just go forward then. But RoboScan doesn't know an exit, or does it? It does know an exit. I could just shortcut this from here. But not from here. I have to go around. I don't know how I use the location, or the direction, I mean. The location makes sense, the direction does not. Because yeah, I can't know which way I'm facing. How do I get around that problem? It's impossible. I can't. Because yeah, if I come from here, go right is just go forward. But if I come from here, it's not. Whatever. Robo scan or robo use, right? Robo use. 2 is right. If there is 2 robo forward. If there is down stats, and if it is left. So here we have to turn left. Here we don't. How do I do it? Here we also have to turn left. Okay, but what are the different cases here? If I come from the right, then I just go forward. If I come from what if you just scan? If you just scan what's in front of me? But I can't know. I don't know, I can't know. Is the first one always the right one? Right, 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 right. So yeah, so we need what do we call this one? I don't know where we came from. What do we call that? Old deer. If old deer is 2, we came from the right, and we want to turn left. And then we want to do robo forward. And old deer is... This is the way to do it. Old deer is 3. No, 1. Sorry. And if it is 3, which was down? I hate this. Yeah, 3 is down. Down means... Is there even a down in any of them? There is not. There's a left though, and if... Or... So bad. Is to... If old deer is 1. So if I have to go left, and I came from the right, that makes no sense. After I go right, no, yeah, that doesn't make sense. Does it? I'm confused. If it is 1, we walked up, and now we are supposed to go left, so we need to turn left. Unless... No, yeah, there's no... Up always has to be this, right? I don't know. I'm confused, my friends. Oh man. Let's just see. We never go forward, right? Because why not? Yeah, this might be wrong, but let's just do it for now. Definitely gonna fail the one that starts with the directions though, but we maybe can work around that somehow. Oh right, but I'm stuck on this now. Sure, that makes sense actually. Let me the whole scan too. Oh, but scan scans forward, right? If I do use, it's not gonna do anything. I need to scan. I don't know. What if you just do L0 go forward? I can't see it anymore. That's not forward. That's behaving very weirdly now. What does it return? We need, yeah, this is just wrong conditional stuff again. What? There's nothing there, just leave me alone. Go forward, if direction is 4, it's not. And then it does it again, and direction is 4, which is left. It's not 2, it's not 1, it is 4. Or direction is 1, yes, so we turn left. And we move forward. And then I do Robo use. And it is 0. Right, so if I just do if there is 0. I hate that I can't see. Now I need to write more code. Yeah, it's not gonna work for this. But maybe for this. No, because... Alright. But that's easy, an easy fix. If it is 0, if RoboScan is greater than 0. Or if it's less than 0, let's do that. Then Robo left. You can't. And then Robo forward. I should do it now, right? So we saw 3 of the 4, which is pretty good. Not good enough, but pretty good. Let's just see it actually solve those 3 before we attempt to make the 4th one. I don't think it should be that bad, honestly. All we need to do is... Okay, let's look at this. You just need to make functions out of this stuff, right? So if you do fun, I don't know, direction. Just need to, can I, is there a way to like move everything in by 1? Because I would like that. Is that how functions work? We've never used one. Let's look at it again, just in case. Yeah. Oh, it has the, it needs the parentheses though, okay. That makes sense. What if do I have to call it before I break? Can I call it after I break? I can't call it after I break, right? But then this loop within the loop is gonna go back outside here again, right? So I need to kind of break, right? Like this is not gonna work, that's what I'm saying. Well, it's definitely not gonna work here. Oh, do I... Wait, but it is... Because it's defined after? Really? I need to define them before I call them? I mean, I guess it makes sense. I just didn't think that was going to be a thing. But just like, this is done, basically. Let's move it up here. Let's just make all of these functions, maybe? Like this would be fun. Fun location. Or something. With a little bit more foresight. We could have done a much better job here, but you know. It's too late now. So now, if we start, it's just going to start in here, right? Yeah, it's going to ignore all the functions, right? So then this is function go to location, or go lock for short. Ah man. What a mess. And now if we start, nothing's going to do anything. Yes, okay, that's what I wanted, basically. So you want to start with direction, right? Well, we want to start, yeah, let's just do this here. No. Well, this is even meaner than I thought. It's the safe location is down here. Oh, but yeah, Robo Use is doing everything anyway. So we might not need this at all. So once we do Robo Use here, if it is 0 to this, and then if it is greater than whatever 5, we call go lock. Oh, it's using the wrong, right. We just do this. Or something. Why do I go for it twice? That seems wrong for sure. Okay, so that works for that special case. Does it work for everything else still? I do not know. It might, though. It probably should, honestly. But, I mean, there could be something weird that breaks it. It doesn't look like there is, but I'm still not sure. And we can get rid of this entire function and make it smaller, too. Because I'm never calling it anyway. That was pretty good. And we unlocked a new function. Robo detect adjacent returns the total number of tiles adjacent to the current position 0, 1, 2, or 3. This works correctly even if some of the tiles are unknown to a RoboScan car. Interesting. I don't like it though. Because yeah, I can already see some bad stuff coming up with that. But actually, yeah, that's just... If I just get rid of all of this... and even this is a line too many. And I don't need save anymore. Do I need scan for anything? Let's find out. No, I don't. So let's just, well, let's just blaze through this, whatever. Just make it, you know, make it smaller. Which is pretty good. It's pretty good. Yeah, that's fine, that's fine. I'll take it. And we'll leave it here. Man, that was rough. Actually, that was not as rough. This was rougher, honestly. This is a much better, like, code base. It might, you know, might come in handy for this, who knows. But that's it for today. Hope you have enjoyed it. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.